It all starts here, at the Home Fires Jersey showroom. From the first step inside, it's clear. This is more than a display. It's warmth you can feel, style you can see, and possibilities waiting to take shape. We don't just show you products, we guide you through an experience. Together, we discover the perfect stove or fireplace for your home. You get to see it live, touch the materials, feel the craftsmanship, and imagine it in your own space. We talk about your vision, your style, and your home's character. Then we come to you. A detailed home survey ensures everything is just right. The chimney, ventilation, room size, nothing is left to chance. Once the plan is clear, our expert team takes over, efficient, professional, respectful of your home. And when it's all done, you're not just left with a fireplace, you're left with comfort, with atmosphere, with a new heart of your home. Because at Home Fires Jersey, it's not just about installing a flame, it's about lighting up your life. Home Fires Jersey, where quality meets comfort. Visit our showroom in St. Lawrence or discover more at homefiresjersey.com. Your fire, your style.